Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I hope you were able to complete Monday's work yesterday pretty easily and you're ready to move on to Tuesday's work today. If you look at what we're doing today, we have writing, another informational writing. Get to choose under the R column this time. My favorite one, especially in the situation that we're in, is the very first one where you get to kind of interview somebody in your family and then write an informational essay about them. I think that would be really great. I bet you guys would find out some really interesting things that you did not know. Some questions about the reading that you did yesterday. Do you get enough sleep? We have multiplication with word problems. I'll go over a few of those today, just page 13. 20 minutes of physical activity, super important. 20 minutes of iReady reading. And I'll remind you about the Math Fact Monday. If you have not done that from yesterday, make sure you get on that today. That would be a really great thing to come to school having those memorized. I'll flip to page 13. Not a ton of extra room on this page, so if you need a little extra paper or a Post-it, feel free to grab one. I'm just going to go over maybe two on this page. They're pretty straightforward. The library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. How many fiction books are on this shelf? So just like we always do with word problems, we're going to go one sentence at a time. The library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. So similar to yesterday, you guys probably are going to want to draw a picture. The nice thing is we get to use the strategy of your choice, so you don't have to use bar method this time. 5 mystery books on a shelf. I am going to happen to do a bar because that's kind of how books are shaped. You guys can divide it into 5 or write the number 5, which one is totally up to you. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. So that means I have to draw the same picture 4 times. 2, 3, running out of room. 4, not to scale. So then you guys can decide to split all these into 5 or just write 5 each time. You can count up your books if you divided. You can add 5 4 times, or you can get your math facts involved 4 times, and then your answer goes right here. The other problems are very similar. 3 markers, 6 times as many colored pencils, 8 tomatoes, 4 times as many tomatoes to make sauce. So these should be pretty straightforward. You guys can do bars, you guys can draw markers, you guys can draw tomatoes, however you want to solve it, whichever makes the most sense to you. And then the last problem on the page, they want you to write a problem that goes with 5 times 6. So that means you're going to start with 5 of something. You could use books, you could use markers, tomatoes, school buses, or you can make up something completely different. And then you're going to have 6 times as many as something else. Can't wait to read them. Take care, guys.